Hello everyone! Today I will be showing you how to create an Instagram story or an Instagram post using Canva. So when you get started, you can either log into Canva if you have used it before, or simply just create a login via your Gmail or student account. And once you log into Canva, you will be taken to your homepage. And within this homepage, you're going to type in the search engine Instagram story. Once you do that, it will take you to numerous types of templates that you can use to create your Instagram story. Choose anything if you want a specific theme, if you want them to all be the same colors. It doesn't matter, they can all be different, but once you have selected on one that you like, it will take you to a blank page or the template. So I'm going to choose this template here, and I'm going to create a hotel visit Instagram story. So I'm actually going to keep the words up here, the ultimate namaste weekend, because that kind of fits really nicely with what I want to do for my story. And now you want to change the text and the images on your story. If you want to simply just delete something, you just select on it and click delete, and it's gone. In order to type in your actual information, you just type right in like so, and you can see it showing up down there. In order to actually add an image or change an image, there's two ways you can do that. The first, you can actually search through photos within Canva. So for instance, if you really like one, you can just click on it. Please make sure it's free. We don't want you spending any money. And then you can move it around anywhere you want in your story. If there aren't specific pictures that you like within Canva, you can also search on Google, copy and paste them or save them, and put them into your document. So for the one that I've already created, I added an image of the actual hotel resort, the Ella Jungle Resort, via Google. And so I just simply copied and pasted it and added it right in here. And then I also inserted the actual title of this resort, because in the story, you want to make sure that you're either tagging or telling the viewers where exactly you are. And then I also gave a little brief explanation of what the Ella Jungle Resort is all about. And it's simply just a sentence or two. It's very, very short because your stories are all about that within 10-second viewing. It's not like a long post that you want to perhaps look at for a while. It's just a quick story updating you. Once you have created your story, you will want to download this and then add it into your Google Slides. So simply just go to the top right corner, click on download, and you want to select PNG because that is the highest quality of image. And so once you selected on that, select whatever page that you want to download and then click download. So we have now downloaded the image, so let's add it in to our Google Slides. So I'm going to take you to the exemplar, which you will be receiving in the content section. And I'm going to add it into the actual story section as well as the photo on the front or the beginning page. So we're going to scroll down and you can see how my image is here on page 6. So I'm just going to delete that and I'll add it in for a second. So in order to add your image, there's two things you can do. You can actually drag and drop it and it will create the image and put it right in. You can also click on Insert Image, Upload from the computer, and upload it that way. Once you've uploaded it, fit it to however you want it to look on this actual slide. And then once you have done that, you also need to remember to go back up to the story and add it into your actual photo on the home page. And in order to do that, you simply select on whatever circle matches with the slide. So this circle matches with slide 6, as you can see there. So we need to add that image there. So you simply just select on the circle, you click on Replace Image, Upload from the computer, and you're going to find the image. Click on Open, and it will put it right in the circle rather than you trying to fit it in the circle. If you click on replace image, it will fit it right within the circle. And so then when you are actually presenting your Instagram, you can actually select on the story and it will take you right there to the story that you just created on Canva. For your stories on Canva, you can add actual animated elements as well. You just select elements and then type in whatever you want animated, click on this little tool here and click animated, apply filters. So then you can actually add in animations to it. And so then if you do want to animate it, you need to either download it as an MP4 or as a GIF if you want, whatever you would like. Click on download, and then again, as before, you just click on insert image or video, whatever you downloaded it as a video or GIF, and then you can add it right into your Google Slides template. So that is how to do a Instagram story, which is a bit more complicated than an Instagram post, because an Instagram post, you can actually do it right here in the Google slide. You can just replace this image and insert your text right here. You can also create a specific Instagram post though on Canva as well. So instead of Instagram story, we're gonna select Instagram post. And you're going to notice the dimensions change here, because when we look at stories, it takes over our full screen. But when we look at posts, it's only about half of our screen, because that's how the photos normally fit. So again, there are so many different types of templates that you can create. If you want to keep it simple and just add a picture for your post, that's totally fine. But you could also create a post right in here. And so select on whatever template you like. And once you do that, it's going to take you to your template that you chose. And we're simply just going to change things. We can type right in here. And if you want to change the size, just select it, click on here. We're going to change the size a bit so that it fits. Great. And then we're going to go look at photos. When you type in Sri Lanka, if you see these little crowns, that means that you have to pay for these. So unfortunately, we can't find anything on here for Sri Lanka, but let's head over to Google. And we will look for an image. All right, so once you have found an image that you like, we will select this one here. You just simply click on copy, go back to your actual page that you want, and then click on paste. And if you want to make it a bit bigger, you just drag it like so. If you want it to go behind this box, just select it, click on position, backward so that it goes behind the box. If you want to get rid of that. And so this could be your actual visual post for what you want to put in your template. So I'm just going to click on download, PNG, and download. And then once it is downloaded, we will go back to our template here, and we want to replace this image here. You don't want to copy and paste it, you don't want to drag and drop it. You're going to actually select the box, click on replace image, go to upload from a computer. We're going to find the post that we just created, click on open, and it's going to fit it right into the box like so. And then you can add in your post below, just double click and type right in here your hashtags, pros and cons, all that needs to be in the post section. So that is how you simply create an Instagram post as well as an Instagram story via Canva for your Instagram blog. If you would like, you can also just create them right in here by replacing an image just found on the internet as well. You don't have to go to Canva and create something if you don't want. You can just look right through Google, select on what image you want, click replace, and then the image is added right in there. And again, you just simply write in here your actual post that you want to match with that image. Once you have done creating your actual posts, you want it to match your home page. And so we have to make sure that slides match each other. So this is slide 8, okay? And we have our Sri Lanka activities. So we're gonna go up here and we're gonna go to slide 8, which is this one here. Oh, sorry. There we go, slide 8. So select on that, it matches with our slide 8 here. You're going to replace this image. So select replace image, upload from computer. We're gonna find this same image there because you need to have thumbnails. And just like so, you have the same image that you're gonna have on your post later on, so that when people are in present view, it's just like how we use Instagram. You're gonna select on the story or the post that you wanna watch, and it will take you right there to the post. It's as simple as that. Everything is already created for you in regards to what slides go to what. All you have to do is just create your stories, create your posts, and everything is all set for you. If you have any questions in regards to Canva or you want to explore other types of apps, please let me know by simply emailing me. Have a wonderful day, everyone.